Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's SolidWorks tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to make a SolidWorks, and you can stop and rewind the videos to understand fully. Please continue watching until the end of the video so you can easily learn SolidWorks. And I found out some of you are not subscribed yet. Please subscribe now. You can gain more knowledge about SolidWorks, and I appreciate your kind support to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. See that there is a pile at the top of the SolidWorks. Just click it and then click the new, and click there's it shows the new SolidWorks document template, and then there's a part. You just click those tab and click the OK, and it opens a new dialog or drawing sketches, and then you click prompt and then sketch, and then let's say the system option general, you click it, and then the document properties, units, let's say millimeter, we're gonna use the millimeter, and then OK. Then click the circle. Let's do some circle, and then dimension it 100. Then regenerate and save the current value. Now let's do another circle inside the one that we made, and then another one that is 75, or let's say 60 as the value in millimeter. Then it's regenerate, and then click the save bottom value and exit the dialog box. Now let's do another circle outside other circle, and then let's do a center line from here to here and here to here. Let's do some dimensioning of the angle. It's 45 degrees, and then regenerate the model with the current value of 45 degrees, and save the current value and exit the dialog box. Now let's escape from the dimension. Let's do the dimension of the circle. Let's do 100 in millimeter, regenerate, and then click OK. Then let's say let's make a line that is like this, and that way. Let's do some center line, and then measure the degrees. Supposed to be 22.5 in the middle of the generate. It's on the middle. 25 divided by 2 is 25.5, so it's in the middle. So let's measure this one up to here. That is 72. $30, 35, Now it's fully defined. This line is fully defined. Okay. Let's get out of the smart dimension. Let's mirror these two lines. The entities to mirror is this object and this object. That's the line 1 and line 4 with the mirror about on this one, and then click OK. Now you can see that there is something like let's remove or trim this line and this line and this line and plus this one. That's the one. So we now have one line that is trim. Okay, and this one also we're gonna do to trim it, so to make it more nicer to look. Let's do some normal too, and then let's do the extrude boss in the middle. Let's do something like 25 in units of millimeter. So now you can see that it is been extrude going into this side and to the other side, so it's doubled because of a mid plane that I use for the direction, and click OK. Now you have a nice figure of solid work, and save the project to 178 as the exercise in your folder. Then let's jumper this one. Let's do some jumper, bigger one. That is 10. And another one here. Let's jumper at 11. Let's jumper at 11.25. 11.5. So you can see that it's become smaller, the difference. So let's jumper to 12. Now it's more nicer maybe. Yep, it will be more nicer. Let's do the jumper to maybe more than that. That's 13. Let's see if it will be okay. Now it's more sharper at the edge. And let's do some hole here. Let's make us let's move it this way, and then let's make a sketch with a hole in it. Let's do some line. Let's do some 20 in millimeter. Okay. And from here to here, let's say that's 50. Okay. And let's do some more line. It's not centered, so I had to put it on centered. That is 22.5. so it's much more center when you look at it. Now we extrude it up to next, so it will be extruded like that. Okay, and then let's do some jumper on this one. Let's do some 2.5 of the jumper. Oops, 2.5 in millimeter, and also here, and also here, also here. And we will let's do the jumper also on all sides. So it's all jumpered. Oh, it's nice. It's looking jumpered. Now, let's do some we'll try to have a circular pattern, maybe 3. Let's do this one as the pattern. Okay. Let's try that one. Oh, no, it will be that. So let's do it as 2. As the pattern, plus the jumper. Or the body. Let's remove it. Oh, that's good. Where's the hole? Don't do this one. This one. There's this one. Let's check it. This one. Let's do the color. So let's do the color, and let's do the brows, painted, powder coated. That's not the one, but this one. Let's do another one, aluminum. Okay. And all the jumper. 1, 2, 3. That's the jumper. Let's do the, so it will be jumpered also. Like that. here, temper here. Okay. With the color right there. Do the color, the base, do that one, and this one. Okay. Okay. Let's do some chamfer also. This one and this one. We missed that one, but it's okay now. So let's do the rendering.